Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will definitely notify you whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, we are going to be making a flax seed gel. In Ireland, this seed is called linseed. So I am going to be using 200 mils of flax seed, and I'm going to add in 1.5 cup of water in the pot. Then I'm gonna add the flax seed inside the pot. I'm just stirring it around to mix it up together with the water, and I will leave it to start boiling. So now it has been boiling for 10 minutes, and once you have started seeing the white foamy bits on the top of this gel, that means that the gel has been activated. That means that the gel is now almost ready for you to take it out from the pot. Now I am going to be taking my gel out of the pot. I am going to leave it to cool down a bit. So I am going to drain out the seed and separate the seed from the gel. So I am done separating the gel from the seed, and I'm going to be adding peppermint essential oil inside it, and I'm also going to be adding some olive oil as well. I am back from mixing the flaxseed gel, and I am going to be applying it on my hair. I am laughing there because I think that I made it too thick. It's very thick, but yeah, so I am applying it on my hair. I am applying it on freshly washed hair. So flaxseed is very beneficial for the health and growth of our hair. So if you haven't used flaxseed on your hair, you should definitely grab some and start using it for your hair because it's very beneficial. Flaxseed is very good because it is very high on omega-3 fatty acid, and that helps to avoid your scalp from being dry, and also it nourishes your hair, it moisturizes and nourishes your hair. Flaxseed also helps to protect your hair from shedding and breakage. So if you are experiencing shedding and breakage, then you should definitely give flaxseed a try. Flaxseed is a great source of vitamin E, and vitamin E is the best vitamin for hair growth. If you want your hair to grow, vitamin E does a good job of helping hair to grow, and flaxseed carries a lot of vitamin E. This definitely reminds me of my okra deep conditioner because it's very sleepy and slimy like that, and it's also wonderful like that because my hair is feeling very soft right now. And if you have not seen my okra deep conditioner, I'm going to leave the video somewhere for you to check it out. Go check it out. It's a very wonderful deep conditioner as well. If you are a 4C and it's very hard to get your hair soft, then okra deep conditioner and flaxseed deep conditioner would definitely do the job for you. So this is wonderful. I absolutely like the way it's feeling on my hair. I'm going to cover it up and leave it for at least 30 to 40 minutes so it can, you know, moisturize and deep condition my hair properly before I rinse it out. So this is it, guys. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.